It's story time on Kiddo Kingdom.
This is a story of Timmy, a small turtle with a big dream. He wants to climb the tallest mountain in the land. While other turtles were crawling and playing around the forest floor, Timmy would often look up at the tall mountain in the distance.
One day, I will climb that mountain and see the world from the top.
But whenever he told his friends, the squirrel, the rabbit, and the duck, they laughed.
You? Climb that mountain? Turtles are slow. You're better off dreaming in your shell.
Timmy just smiled.
I may be slow, but I'll get there one day.
One morning, Timmy took his first step toward the mountain. As he crawled through the forest, he met a wise old owl, perched on a low tree branch.
Where are you heading, little one?
To the mountain top.
The owl blinked thoughtfully.
It's a long way, and the path is not easy, but dreams are worth chasing. Keep going, and don't give up.
Thank you, Mr. Owl.
Timmy moved slowly but steadily. He crossed muddy paths, rocky trails, and streams with slippery stones. His legs ached, and sometimes he wanted to turn back. But every time he looked up at the mountain, he whispered,
One step at a time, I'll get there.
High up on a cliff, Timmy met a grand eagle. The eagle looked surprised.
You've come far, little turtle. What are you doing up here?
Timmy shared his dream. The eagle smiled.
You've got courage. I'll help you. Climb on my back.
Timmy hesitated, then carefully climbed onto the eagle's feathers. With a mighty flap, they soared into the sky. Timmy gasped. He could already see the clouds and the treetops far below. But Timmy's dream wasn't a quick journey. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in. Thunder roared. Rain poured down. The eagle struggled in the wind. Lightning flashed, and strong winds pushed them sideways. Timmy shut his eyes, clutching tightly. For a moment, he thought, maybe I wasn't meant to make it. But deep inside, a quiet voice answered, No. Keep holding on. You're almost there. At last, the storm passed. The sun peeked through the clouds. The eagle gently landed on a flat rock. Timmy stepped down and looked around. The view took his breath away. Forests stretched like green blankets. Rivers sparkled like silver ribbons. Tiny animals moved below like little dots. Timmy's eyes filled with tears of joy.
I did it. This is what I dreamed of.
It was time to go back. Timmy's heart was full with joy and pride. Soon, he would land in the forest, and his friends would see how a little turtle reached the top of the world. Back in the forest, Timmy stood proudly among his friends.
I may be small and slow, but dreams aren't just for the fast or the strong. They're for those who never give up.
No matter how big your dream is, if you believe in yourself and keep moving forward, step by step, you'll get there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.